guys, they're watching another video. First and foremost, the merch drop, March 25th. Mark your calendars, get ready, because the merch drop is March 25th on Thursday. It's actually gonna be on my birthday, March 25th. Everything on the website is super limited, so once it's sold out, it's sold out. It's not coming back. This is probably my favorite merch drop. I freaking love all the pieces. I've been wearing the hoodie every single day. And yeah, I appreciate you guys so much, and I thank you guys in advance to whoever cops something from the merch drop. I appreciate it. Also, Sunday, March 28th is the grand opening at our shop at SYCKWRAPS. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I posted the flyer right there. Huge car meet. Everyone is welcome. Tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your dad. Bring everybody. It should be pretty sick. I'm excited. I think it's gonna be super packed, and I'm kind of scared. I hope we don't get kicked out. Also, that's another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about. We have to keep it quiet. We have to keep it calm. No revving, no burnouts, none of that stupid stuff, because we do not want to get kicked out. This is now our business, so we can actually get kicked out. I'm throwing this event for you guys so we can all get together. You guys can come see the shop, come meet me and Manny, come see the GTR in person, because we are revealing the wrap there. So yeah, this is for you guys. I want to make it really sick. I want to have a good time. I don't want to get shut down. I don't want cops to come. So please, 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 no revving, no burnouts, none of that stuff, please. Let's just have a good time. Come, kick it, chill. I'm gonna get some donuts, some coffee. I don't know, we're gonna make it a really cool event. And like I said, I don't want cops to show up and shut it down, because I know people are coming from very far. I have homies coming from San Francisco. So I would hate for the meet to get shut down, and they just drove 6 hours to come to the car meet. So please respect the location. And if you see someone doing something stupid, stand up for us and tell them to stop. If you see someone revving it or doing burnouts, yell at them. Don't let them do that. But I'm excited. I can't wait to meet all of you, and I can't wait till you guys see the new wrap on the GTR. So yeah, as you guys seen, we just got the car washed. Today is the last day with the black GTR. I'm super freaking sad. I'm actually very nervous, but I'm excited. I'm excited how it's gonna look. There's not many GTRs in this color, so I'm pretty excited for that. Hopefully by tonight, maybe Manny will lay a couple panels of wrap. So I'm pretty excited. I can't wait. Manny's gonna kill it. I know the wrap's gonna come out insane. And I can't wait till you guys see it in person. On Sunday, I'm revealing this.
A few moments later.
Guys, I'm about to pull up right now, but some crazy shit just happened. I feel so bad for Manny right now. Manny sent me his address. He's pulled over right here off the freeway. I want to see what happened. Oh, not another one. I feel like we just did this the other night. Are you sad?
I'm not even sad, dude.
I'm sad.
I'm not sad, bro.
Oh my god, dude. There's no way, bro.
Bro, you know what it was? That rag.
You left it in there?
No, it got sucked in through my fender liner right here, and it caught on fire because the turbo's really hot, so it caught on fire. And it, look, it burned all the electrical shit. That's where it caught on fire. The fire was right here. It caught right there. That's where the fire was. It caught there, and then it burned onto the hood. Bro, this rag caused the whole fire.
There's no way. Should we just become firemen at this point? All the cars are catching on fire, bro.
The good thing is that it wasn't like as bad. Dude, the fire extinguisher didn't work for shit. It lit off for like 3 seconds and it went away and the fire stayed. But the hood was on fire. I was like, fuck, I was trying to like break the hood off so it didn't catch the whole car on fire, bro.
Guys, look at this. The hood is completely burned. Or like 20 minutes ago, Manny FaceTimed me. Right when he turns the camera around, I just see the whole fucking BMW on fire.
New hood, turbo's good. The turbo gets fine. New hood, I need to get a new power line, new boost solenoid, and then fender, headlight, bumper, and that's it. All right, guys, we have Apex for sale.
Part out?
Air gas for sale. Long seats.
I need to get a fire extinguisher, bro. This is 2 times the car has caught fire in like 1 week.
It really fucking hurts, bro. Look. Like right here. How am I gonna wrap?
You got to wrap my car. Look how sad Manny looks. Guys, I feel so bad. Everyone go to Manny's Instagram and his YouTube channel and show some love, because that's kind of sad. I know I'd be super sad, bro. I'd cry.
2 hours later.
Alright, guys. The car's in the shop. It's here. We got the homies I8 here too. They're wrapping this week, but the GTR is here. It's about to get... We're about to get started on it. Jordan's gonna disassemble it. It's gonna be sick, guys. Today's pretty much just prepping it. So we're gonna disassemble the whole car. What color do you guys think we're doing? I'm not even gonna show it because I feel like you guys could probably guess. One of these colors is mine. Sheesh. Bumpers Look at that, guys. No bumpers off. I told Jordan I should just buy the 2017 bumper to make it look like a newer GTR. Next is the headlights. Take the headlights off. And then the rear bumper. And then the mirrors. And I think that's it. It looks destroyed, bro. This is what I was scared of, guys. This is the only reason I didn't want to wrap the car. Just disassembling it. Because it's super scary. You don't want to break anything. But there's so many bolts on this GTR that has to come off. Look at all that. I don't know how Jordan's going to put it back together, bro. Alright, guys. We got the wing off now. It actually looks sick without the wing. I wish I got the carbon fiber trunk. We did get a carbon fiber trunk. It's just on the way. It won't be here in time for the wrap reveal, but we have a carbon duck trunk. Duck tail. Is that what it's called? I don't even know what it's called. Look at the door panel. This is all the stuff you guys don't get to see on wrapping cars. How many? Like, it's not just wrapping cars. You gotta disassemble everything if you want the wrap to come out perfect. So every single car, we're always disassembling everything. But yeah, Manny wants to already start laying the hood, get the wrap on. That means it's gonna go black and white. I can't show the wrap. Tan's already working on the front bumper, getting the little black accents. Then we're gonna lay the entire rest of the bumper. But yeah, it's only day one, dude. Look, we're already getting some progress. The whole car is literally disassembled. I know you guys can't see the color, but we're starting. Manny's already wrapping the hood. Sheesh. Well, at least they can see it's glossy. It's not satin. Look how glossy it is, dude. Damn. And we're already getting a lot done on the very first day. It's not even Monday yet. It's still the weekend. It's Sunday. Alright guys, it's the next day and look how much progress we already got. This is only day 2. It's only Monday and look how much progress. We got the door, we got the fender, the hood, the bumper, the other fender, the other door, and the trunk. So like literally the car's almost done. Tomorrow Manny wants to just do the quarter panels, the rear bumper, and it's done. 2-day freaking wrap. So it looks so freaking sick. I'm sorry I can't show you the color yet, but soon on Sunday we're revealing it. Guys, everything's black and white in this freaking video, but Jordan's wrapping his Mustang too, and he's actually doing it himself. Is it gonna come out good or what? It's actually coming out good, I'm not gonna lie. Jordan's never wrapped a car in his life, and look, it's honestly not that bad. But he's trying it and he's learning. I mean, that's the best way to learn. Just wrap your own car. Sunday? He's hoping to have it done by Sunday too, so hopefully we both reveal our colors on Sunday. I need to vlog way back here so you guys can't see. But anyways, everyone comment down below what color do you guys think I'm doing on the GTR. Also, a new merch drop on March 25th. Don't forget. That's all the merch right there, guys. So March 25th, we're dropping the merch. It should be like 12 p.m. I think I'm dropping it. So mark your calendars. Damn. We got Manny here. We got the homie Tan. We got Jordan. And it's just a chill Sunday, bro. We don't even have any plans today, but Tan brought the Lambo out. We got the GTR out here. Maybe we'll get a little race with the Lambo. I've still never raced a Lambo yet, so we'll see. Maybe we'll cap this food real quick. But that shit looks so sick. Especially in that color. You guys got it. Look how much attention you get in the Lambo, bro. Look at this light. Look at that Happy Meal. They're so sick. Dude, you get so much attention. We just grabbed some food and now we're at the homie shop. God damn. A bunch of twin turbo Huracans here. Guys, look what we found over here. Just chilling. This is actually the homie's GTR. Bro, this thing is insane. It's tuned by RD Engineering too. Same people who tuned mine, but this thing's on a whole nother level, bro. And then full carbon fiber doors, carbon fiber quarter panel, carbon fiber everything. Wow, bro, this is a full-on drag GTR right here. God damn. Look at this. There's nothing in here. That has to be like one of the sickest GTRs that I've ever seen, bro. That shit is crazy. Imagine driving that shit on the street. I won't even try to race him, bro. Yeah, look at this thing. R8, BBS wheels, big ass spoiler. Guys, I've been falling in love with these cars. Like, I really want one. I think that's my next goal. Probably get an R8. I really want a Huracan, but it's literally double the price of the R8. They're the same motor. I heard this one actually drives better, like it's more comfy. It's half the price, like I said, and it's the same motor. It's like pretty much the same thing. Obviously, it's still not a Lambo, which kind of sucks, but I think I might do it, guys. Maybe like next year, get an R8, and then maybe a year after that, get the Huracan. And then we got the homie Cartel Funds' car, his wide body Huracan with the BBSs. That's just mean, huh? That's the Huracan right there, bro. That's the one I want. This one's pretty crazy. Twin turbo R8. Look at the little twin turbos right here. Is she looking at Jordan? You see him or what? Yeah. Where? Oh, shit. Oh yeah, that's crazy. I've seen this one at a car meet once. This shit spits crazy flames. This shit's so clean. You guys remember him when he gapped me? That shit's fast, dude. Oh my god, that interior is crazy. All red. I like really want an R8 now. Look at that.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. While y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that overnight. Sleepless nights trying to cope with life cause I can't